Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. You have been hearing about Gemini Omni, the powerful new multimodal mode that turns text, images, and even audio clips into stunning videos. So let's go and look for Gemini Omni. Anyway, but when you try to use it, you are getting errors, blank screens, or just generic low quality outputs. Gemini Omni is a visual model and it doesn't behave like a standard language model. According to one power user, the single biggest shift in my experience came from realizing that Omni doesn't respond well to the same prompt and instinct you do bring to any other language or image model. To get the best out of it, you have to think like a cinematographer. In this guide, I will show you how to actually make Omni work for you. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First, you want to check for active service outages. Omni has been affected by service outages. According to recent reports, hundreds of users experienced errors like 100, 76, 199 shortly, or even 1099 shortly after Omni's debut, preventing them from using the model at all. You can also give it a visual reference if you want to, and also focus on one subject at a time. That's the whole idea here. So basically, you can also change your way of thinking, since one of the key lessons learned from experimenting with Omni is that it's far easier to answer important creative questions before the generation cycle begins that it's chase to fix them afterwards. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching this. See you in the next video.